So these packages and modules concept is introduced. Just I am writing the definition here. So what is a module? Module, what it will do? So module contains module contains all variables, methods, methods. Module contains all variables, methods inside 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 a in module module contains all variables methods inside a particular file. So if you want to reuse the file, if you want to if you want to use those methods in your program, in your program, in your program. So in your programs, what you have to do, just using import statement, import module name, import module name. This you have to do. Okay. So please understand this very clearly. Module is not a complex Greek and Latin. Module module contains some all variables methods inside uh, inside your file. If you want to use those methods in your programs, you can import that module name. Okay, is that clear? Now, what is a package? So actually, package is a folder. Package is a folder which contains many modules, many modules. So package is a folder which contains many modules. So how to use a particular module? How to use a particular module? So how to use a particular module of a package? So that is also from module name, module name, import, sorry, from package name, sorry, from package name, import module name. From package name, import module. So like that, you can do like that. You can do like that. You can propel. So from package name, import to module name. So like that, you can do the program. Let us see some practical programs using these packages and modules once again, so that whoever missed the class and who did not listen properly, they can utilize this opportunity. So for that, we need to open the spider only. So Spider just slowly opening. It takes some time to open the Spider. So just open. Spider is a Spider is from where? It is from anaconda.org. It is one of the tool for doing for compiling the Python programs. One of the wonderful tool. So what is the advantage of Spider and Anaconda is that so many packages are already installed. They are ready to use. Okay, you can use them readily whenever you are using Spider and Anaconda. It is like a very big Python distribution. Okay, very big Python distribution. It is a heavyweight application. That's why slowly it is opening like an elephant moves to slowly. So it is slowly just opening. Just you can see. So it is taking some more time because I have updated my actually my system RAM size is 20 gigabytes, but still it is taking slowly. So you see, if your RAM is less than 4 GB and 8 GB, so so let us take. Yesterday, I did one package called pack1. So how I did, just I will explain, and I will take some more examples for today so that we can continue and be strong in the packages topic. So let us see how I did. So, okay. Now, first of all, what I did means just so I just went to my okay. So so I have a folder called Python programs. So in that folder, I created one more folder called pack1. In that pack1, uh, I kept a file called double underscore init, double underscore init, double underscore, double underscore init, and double underscore dot py. That file you have to keep inside the package. Inside the package. So like that, double underscore in, just you keep that, and one module. How many modules you want to keep in that particular package? You can keep. Now I created. So I created one module called AA.py. So just I used there one function called xx, one method called xx. So it will print I am Hyderabadi, something like that. So that's how it is printing, just how it is doing. Let us see it once again. Okay. So now I just close it. This is one module. And how many modules you want, you can keep. One important thing is that just this is you see, you have to keep one empty file. Nothing is there. If you want to have anything, that is a different issue. Nothing, just an empty file. Double underscore init, double underscore dot py. That empty file you have to keep in that particular package folder. That is very, very mandatory. So just that empty file you create, then only the package gets created. So this is very, very mandatory file So that must be there in the package, so that it turns into package. So after this making into one package, so here what I am doing, how I am using that package, from package name import that module. So I want to utilize the AA module from the PAK1. So AA module I am using. Okay, is that clear? So like that, like that, like that particular AA module I am importing, so that AA.xx. So after importing that module, in that module I am using one particular function called xx. I'm calling. So with module name dot method name. So module name is AA, dot method name is xx, like that I called. So I am running this module. So it executed properly, everything is good and fine. This is successfully we did one package. Okay. So let us take another example and start hmm, creating package from the scratch. So so I think I am taking one more example, dear students. Is that clear to you everything? Are you following? No response from anybody? Okay. Okay, thank you. So so we will take one more package from the scratch. So just so I want to create a package. So math, sorry, math f, math f n, math function sum package I want to create. So first we have to create one folder. In which area? D drive. I am creating this in Python programs D drive. So in that, so we have to create a new file. So we have to save the new file. So for that, what I have to do, I will open that new file. Now you can save it just before that new file you take. Just a new file, save it as. So let us take this. We went to Python programs. So in that we have to go to math functions. In that we have to save it as double underscore init double underscore dot py. Double underscore init double underscore dot py. So like that we have to create one file. That is the first thing. Next, I will write one module. So new file. So just write any module. So this is what modules. Mm, So this is I'm going to create one module. So I want to create one module. So M1 or module 1 or something. Okay. So in that, so first I'm creating a one method def sq r square. So whatever the value you find, return whatever the value you pass, it will square it. Hmm? So it will return square of it. So using that x square. So if you want to find cube, cc x colon x star 3. So like that it will do cc of x. So like that it will be like that it will be. So so square of x. So square of x, if you say, it will return, okay, that square. So cube, it will return the cube. So now save it. Save. Whenever you are saving, you must be very cautious where you have to save math function. This is our module. So in that, I will say m1 module 1 dot py. Dot py should be the extension. So save it. So this is over. Now I want to use the module. So new file. Now 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 you can create the now you can use the package. So from, what is the name of our package name? Math fn. So from math fn, so import what is the modules we have in math fn. So math fn m1. So import m1. In that m1 module, what are the function sqrr and all are there. So s is equal to m1 dot sqrr. So 4. Now this 4. So like that I stored cube. So now let us print okay, square of 4 equal to comma s print cube of 4. So first we have to save it. So this is saved as Python package. Now you try to run this. So now it is running properly. First we have to save this in a particular folder called folder above the this particular folder, this particular package folder. So math function fn is our folder. In that folder, m1 is the uh, module name. In that module, there are two methods, sqrr, cc. So I just using how to use them, module name dot method name. So like that, module name dot method name. So like that, I got modules and methods. So from the package to module to sub methods. So like that, we are doing. So this is the way how we are handling the package. So I think so first let us revise what we did. So first of all, so I made a I went into some folder called Python program in D drive. So in that I created one dummy folder called math functions. In that I created init file which is very completely empty with the .py extension. So next I want to create one module. So m1 in that, sorry, in that module, uh, so in that module I wrote two functions. One is square, another one is cc. So like that, two functions I wrote. So I want to use them. So this is a complete module. So in the above of this particular math function package, I took a file package. Sorry, I took a file called example package. Hmm? So in that file, I wrote from package name import module name. So it is like that. I'm putting a hash and writing from package name package name import module name. So like that you have to do now, and after that it is over. Next you can do like that, s1 s is equal to m1 dot square of 4. So m1 of square 4. So like that m1. So m1 is what? M1 is a module name. So that is imported from any dummy package called math functions. Some. So that for module name dot member name, just I'm using it square function I wrote, sqrr, some method I wrote. In that I am passing the argument, one argument, that is 4. So after, whenever I do this, it control will go to that particular package and that particular module. In that module, that particular function it will execute, and it will take the return value here and store it in S. Store it in S. So like that, again we have to do it for Y and do everything and store it in Y. So like that, it will be done. Okay. So I think it is very clear to you and very clearly understood what is a package and how to use it, how to create a module and use it. Hmm? I think these things are very clear to you. Okay, my dear students, I think I expect that these things are very clear to you. Mm, and if at all any doubts, you can raise your hand and ask. So this is what.